Hi, this is Accutek car audio visual in Winchester. This is an Alfa 159 and we've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS into this, replacing the original one which is beyond its sell by date. As you can see here, we've got the Apple CarPlay screen up on this particular one, and this has also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, FM, etc. This has also got multiple camera inputs. So this particular one, it's quite hard to show you, but we've got a dash cam hidden behind here. So that's a KENWOOD N520 dash cam, which is really nice. And we've also got a rear camera installed into this, so you can see there when you go into reverse it comes up on the screen. Facilities for the dash cam: if I press the cam button on the front panel, then we have got a dash cam button up here, and there we are, you can see the dash cam footage live view. And then you have got the option here where you press that and you can play back files, parking images, parking incidents, and everything all on there. It's a really nice, neat facility. Excuse me. All the steering wheel controls will still work on this particular vehicle. If you'd like to have this done in your Alfa 159, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.